Hi everyone, I'm here today with Sahara Lynn. I'm super excited about our newest launch. Finally, we have a brow product, you guys. So this is Bonne Brow, and we have 4 really super easy to use shades. And I'm gonna go with Slate, which is a grayish blackish shade. And you see that the pencil is a really nice shape. It's super precise. It's a slimmer pencil all around, so it gives you more control. So on this side, we have a dry spoolie brush. I just love to have a clean brush at your disposal. So I like to follow these steps that I learned in makeup school in Paris. So take your pencil and from the tip of your nose and hold it straight up. You can see where your brow should begin. I like to emulate little hairs, you know, kind of drawing on top of the hairs, a little bit touching the skin, but I'm really delicate with where I'm touching, kind of finding where I need to fill in, and then I can go in between with my clean, dry spoolie brush. And also again, from the tip of your nose, you hold it directly to where the outer corner of your eye finishes, and that's where your brow should finish. So it's a little, I can extend your brow a little bit, okay? It's a good trick to do on your own, to kind of like play around and get the most flattering shape. Really, it's in the back and forth of brushing the brows through, brushing, you know, the pencil through, and seeing exactly how much you need in a light hand. You know, I keep seeing these little tiny areas, but I'd rather get to them gradually as opposed to having too much and then being unhappy with the shape. And then if you start looking at the other side, you start seeing more gaps, and then you start feeling like what a difference it makes. Okay. How good does that look, Sahara? Thank you guys for watching. Check out our newest launch, Bonne Brow. And if you're not really sure of your shade, we have the Clean Beauty Concierge to help assist you with the perfect shade. And I can't wait to hear what you think. Thank you and have fun. Bye.